Having trouble with sound on YouTube on your iPhone? It's frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite videos. This issue can happen for a variety of reasons, like software glitches, settings issues, or problems with your device's audio output. Don't worry though, this guide will show you simple solutions to fix the sound problem. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check important audio setting. Open setting, scroll down, tap sounds and haptics, enable change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum level. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open setting, scroll down, tap accessibility, scroll down, tap audio and visual. Turn on mono audio, scroll down, make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. Offload YouTube. Open setting, tap general, tap iPhone storage, find out YouTube, tap offload again, tap reinstall. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings on your iPhone, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and select reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data, but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works on YouTube. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the YouTube sound issue on your iPhone with ease. If this guide was helpful to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our next video.